While at first blush it may not seem so, the areas of sexual trauma survivorship, grief and loss, and sexual addiction really interconnect. A lot of what's happening with an adult survivor of childhood sexual abuse is they are grieving the lost childhood. They're grieving the freedom to be sexually open, to be who they are without feeling somehow tainted or diminished. So in that way, when I'm dealing with someone who's a survivor of sexual trauma, and I always use the word survivor, not victim, it interconnects because we are doing grief work, just as if they've had a death in the family, or just as if there's been a divorce or a major job loss, because those are also grief and loss issues. It doesn't have to be death. But we're looking at those things and how they interact in the present, in the past, and what those things are doing then to drive behaviors today. It's very common for someone who's been sexually traumatized as a child to become either unresponsive to sex, to pull away during sex emotionally, to even dissociate and feel themselves sitting above the sexual encounter watching it, to be totally separate from the experience, to then look at how can they grieve the loss and not do something that is counterproductive.